Now, this hybrid approach, hybrid option, is actually where most organizations fall into, because this means that you're handling some of the activities of crawling, banning, extraction, scaling, and maintaining some of them in-house, but you're also at the same time you subscribe to data and or toolings, so you can either buy the software or you can buy the data as necessary to just complement what you have in-house. So the rank on the triangle is that cost is medium to high, the time is really dependent on scope and project management approach that your team and the vendor agrees on, and the quality is high. High flexibility of scope, this is also, it depends really, but I mean, generally speaking, it's more flexible because it's fully your own decision to say, I'm going to just buy the data for these 2 sites, but then the 3 sites, I'm just going to use your tooling, right? This vendor's tooling. Now, this is suitable if 4 points. You are looking to load balance that whole workload between your team, like complement your team's technical capability and gaps if you have any. So you're looking to do that. The second is the data that you're looking to get is really part of a much larger workflow that's very heavily tied to your business logic. And usually business logic is evolving based on depending on business needs. So for example, you're building some product that's really at the core of it, the data, without the data, then there's no product. Then this type of project is going to be more volatile, at least in the beginning. And it makes sense to just start with a mix of data and tooling and your in-house activities. But eventually, this type of hybrid engagement or hybrid option is transitioning to a full data subscription. So you can treat it as like a transition option to the data option until you get the stable scope, right?